In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate Google Docs from Sheets. If you've ever needed to turn spreadsheet data into a polished, shareable document that stays up to date, this is the simplest and most reliable way to do it. We'll use what I call the link method, which keeps your doc connected to your source data so your report is always current without manual retyping. Start in your Google Sheet and highlight the exact table you want to show in your document. Include your headers, totals, and any rows you want to appear in the doc. Copy the selection, then switch to your Google Doc and place your cursor where you want the table to appear. Paste the data, and when the paste options pop up, make sure you choose Link to Spreadsheet. That choice is the key. Your table will drop in and you'll see a small indicator showing it's linked. From this point on, your doc functions like a live report that reflects the data you selected in Sheets. When the numbers in your sheet change, you don't need to redo anything. Just return to the doc, hover your mouse over the table, and look for the update prompt that appears. Click Update, and the table instantly refreshes to match your latest sheet data. It's simple, fast, and easy, perfect for status reports, summaries, and any document where accuracy matters. A few tips help this work smoothly. Format your table in Sheets before copying. Header colors, number formats, and alignment usually carry over, so the doc looks professional right away. Choose a range that covers what you expect to change so your updates stay in sync. If you accidentally pasted without linking, just undo and paste again, selecting Link to Spreadsheet. In Docs, you can still adjust column widths or table placement to fit your page without breaking the connection. Avoid overly complex layouts or heavy merging in the sheet, as cleaner tables translate more predictably. And remember, the link follows the range you originally copied, so keeping your data organized in Sheets will make each update seamless. That's all there is to it. Copy from Sheets, paste into Docs, choose Link to Spreadsheet, and click Update whenever your data changes. You'll have a professional, always current document with almost no maintenance.